Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog. I've just taken a look at the Insignia top mount refrigerator. The Insignia top mount refrigerator is a 10.1 cubic foot refrigerator. It's very slim and it is only 116 pounds. Unboxing it was super easy. All I had to do was pull the box over the top and remove it from the foam plate on the bottom. This fridge is the perfect size for an apartment or a condo or as a fridge in a dorm room if you want a little bit more space than a bar fridge would give you. It has removable glass shelves inside the refrigerator as well as inside the freezer. You can move them up and down into different slots depending on what you're storing, and it has door bins that are adjustable on the side. It also has a humidity controlled crisper, so you can add all sorts of fruits and vegetables. There's a look at the butter container on the side of the door. You can store all kinds of fruits and vegetables depending on what you're storing. You just adjust the humidity level in the crisper. I like refrigerators where you can completely pull out the crisper drawer, so you can just pull it right out if you want to give it a clean in the sink and wipe underneath it. Although this is a pretty compact refrigerator, there is a ton of room for storage. Those adjustable glass shelves mean that you can store large things like soda bottles or wine bottles, or you can use the side compartments to store those. There's tons of room both on the door and inside. There are separate temperature controls for the refrigerator and the freezer, so you can set your fridge to whatever temperature that you'd like, and then there's a dial inside of the freezer to set that. For such a small refrigerator, the freezer is extremely roomy, as you can see here, and there's more than enough space for all types of different things. The stainless steel finish is not fingerprint resistant, but I was touching it and I didn't really smudge it when I touched it. I love the door handles. There is no external handles sticking out to detract from the sleek look of this fridge. You can just use the recessed door handles to pull the fridge open and closed. When I was testing it out, I noticed it runs very quietly. There is little to no sound coming from the fridge when it's running, and it plugs into any standard outlet just like any other fridge. The adjustable feet on the bottom of the fridge make it easy to move it around in your kitchen as well as adjust it to make sure it's completely level. The Insignia top mount refrigerator is also an Energy Star refrigerator, so it doesn't take a lot of power to run it, and that makes it perfect for a secondary fridge if that's what you'd like to use it for. The Insignia top mount refrigerator is available in stainless steel as well as white, so you can choose the best style for your kitchen. I was pretty impressed with the interior size of this fridge, despite how tall and thin it is, and I think it would be a great choice for anybody who even has family sized groceries because there is a ton of adjustable storage inside. You can see my full written review of the Insignia top mount fridge on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.